We've really celebrated all of the initiatives that our customers have driven using Oracle technology and other technologies to drive sustainability initiatives within different businesses, different organizations. We have customers in the food packaging industry, and their goal is to really decarbonize the entire supply chain. In the industrial manufacturing sector, Alcar, who is an automotive parts supplier of steel wheels, is looking how they can use less and cleaner energy in their manufacturing processes. Unilever is a classic example of a business-to-consumer company with many, many brands, and we've worked with them very closely on transportation, where we have significantly reduced their CO2 emissions from the transportation of their products. Reducing inventory and waste in the food industry is obviously critical, and we've worked with Ledestri around their planning processes in order to achieve very significant goals in that area. Enabling smart cities is a critical aspect of sustainability, and we've worked with the city of San Jose on a variety of initiatives around efficient transportation, improved waste management, and improved connection to all of their citizens.